Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload longer videos to Instagram stories. First of all, just open up your Instagram application and then simply just tap on this plus icon right here. You will see an option post story reel. Just click on story. Now select or record your video more than 50 seconds. In my case, I'm going to select this one. It's 22 seconds. Click on this and just simply tap on this share button and then tap on done. So in the same way you can also upload from your gallery. Just go into your gallery videos and simply open the video you want to add to your story and then click on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on this share button. So you will see an option Instagram here. If you tap on it, you will see an option chat, feeds, reels, stories. So simply just tap on stories and you can see this video is also on my story now. So if I click on this next button and click on this share button, this video will also be shared on my Instagram story. So now if you tap on your story, you can see the video is posted on my story. So that's how you can upload longer videos on Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.